There you can see these are all the beautiful tiles designs. These are all the latest ceramic wall tiles designs. So friends, if you have any queries regarding to the bathroom interior, you can ask me in the comment box. I will see that I can give all your answers. So friends, when selecting the bathroom wall tiles, or we should know some important of that wall tiles and the advantages of the ceramic wall tiles. Like ceramic wall tiles are a versatile and popular choice for both residential and even in the commercial. They have the low porosity and are resistant to moisture, humidity, bacteria, fungus, stain, and fire, which makes them easy to maintain and a great long-term investment for your home. Ceramic tiles offers a wide array of and digit tiles in an attractive range of size, shapes, textures, designs, and colors to enhance your room. So let we know what are the benefits of the ceramic wall tiles. First one, it is easy to clean, hygienic, and environment friendly. Ceramic wall tiles are easy to clean and maintain. They are resistant to moisture, bacteria, stains, and fire makes them an excellent choice for areas like bathroom or even in the kitchen that have the high exposure to moisture, bacteria. Moreover, these do not attract dust or dirt, which makes the clean and durable. Another advantage, it has the wide designs and colors. Like in this video, you can see this. There are the different colors and designs. For ceramic tiles, there are a wide array of attractive designs, colors, and patterns available in ceramic wall that can meet your design's goal. Another advantage, it has the low porosity. While ceramic wall tiles have low water porosity, glass ceramic wall tiles offer an extra protective layer that gives them improved water absorption, stain resistant, and frost resistant. These do not attract dust or dust mites, are resistant to abrasive chemicals and odor resistant, which makes them more durable. And most important advantage of ceramic wall tiles is low maintenance and durable. Ceramic wall tiles are dense, durable, and crack resistant, which allows them to look stunning for years. They make the perfect choice as a bathroom wall tile or even a kitchen, as they are moisture and humidity resistant. Further, unlike marble, there is no special maintenance involved to ensure its durability. It is stain and wear resistant. Another most important advantage is it is affordable. These are an affordable options compared to vitrified tiles or natural stones like marble or granite. Apart from the cost of installation, their versatility, durability, and functionality benefits makes them an affordable choice for wall tiles. There you can see these are all the beautiful designs with different colors, size, and shapes. So when you're planning to tiles your bathroom, you should select the best designs as per your choice. Or if you have any queries regarding to the tiles, you can ask me in the comment box. I will see that I can give all your answers. So friends, when you're planning to tiles your bathroom, you should remember some key important points, and you first make sure that you go and survey in the market that which tiles are best, which branded tiles are best, and what are the price of the tiles. Like if you'll go in the market, you will see that there are the different price with different brands. And so when you're planning to design your bathroom, this video will help you to select the best tiles for your bathroom. So friends, if you like my video, then please do subscribe this channel, like and share this video.